You can also prototype your screens in Figma only. You don't need to go anywhere else. So for which you need to simply, what you need to simply do is, if you want to say, I want to click on this element button, I want to go somewhere, you will simply click on prototype mode from the right top here. Okay. You can add interaction from here. You will click on plus. You'll say what, this is the nature. So nature is the click. And what happens when you click? You can set from here. So I'll click on this. I'll say navigate to, right? Navigate to where? Then I'll say, okay, the screens above is frame 11, right? So yeah, let's select that. So now it is connected to that frame 11. Okay, here, I'll make it closer. So you want to say that when I'm clicking here, it is going here. So yeah, and if you click on preview now, you'll be able to see that. So let it load. So which screen? Yeah. So if I click on submit, I'm going there. So that's how you can put up the interactions. Okay.